What's going on, guys? Today we're doing the unthinkable. We're putting a totally emissions compliant downpipe on my MK7 GTI, and yeah, so we're just gonna get started. Yes, so we're in the engine bay. It's warm, but it's not too hot, so I just have to do this V-band and then we're gonna jack the car up. Alrighty, I'm gonna start off removing these four, the cross brace, and then I gotta figure out how to get these boys, which is gonna be fun. So gotta figure that out.
Boys,
Alright,
we're a little dirty, but it's looking good.
this is worse than brakes.
I don't know about that.
I don't know. Brakes is just tedious. So somehow this boy has to come off.
What cheese did I
Help me. Oh wait, it's bolted to the engine somewhere.
I don't know what you got.
Okay, I gotta go find that.
We got a new downpipe with nice touches, and no muffler. Yeah, bud.
I don't want to start it. It's so quiet out. This is bad. I'm gonna cold start cancel it. Oh, that didn't work. Damn it. Okay. This is out of hand. Have you ever thought it was a good idea to put a catless downpipe on your car when you have a muffler delete? Don't do it unless you really want to be loud. I mean, I don't think it sounds okay. It sounds terrible, but I'm gonna drive around with the windows up for a minute, and you're gonna see why I'm going to find a solution to putting my muffler back on. At low RPMs, I like the sound of it. It's loud. It sounds cool, kind of tractory, but I like tractors. But just driving normally. I'm like babying the car, and it's just out of control, man. Catless is cool. Makes smelly smells, and I think I shot a flame last night. I don't know for sure, and there's no video proof, so technically I didn't shoot a flame, but I think I did. But it's not good. Not good. But I'll just let you guys listen. I think I ruined this exhaust briefly, but that's why I'm gonna fix it. I've been kind of watching my AFRs because I'm on stage 1, and I'm gonna have to just run some data logs. It sounds like a Detroit diesel. That's the worst part. Luckily, you don't really smell it in the car, but I'm at third, just over 2,000, and it's going. So we're gonna go to Advanced Auto. I'm gonna try to find something there, and then but it gets like around where the valves open, it gets this like VQ trumpet galore sound. And it's rough, and the cold starts are really loud. Yeah, you guys ready for this? So we're gonna remedy this. So like normal, I don't have the right tools or the right hardware. So that's a result of that. But local AutoZone, Advanced Auto, hooking it up. This is 2 3/4 inch, and this is 2.2555. So this won't fit. It like doesn't want to. I mean, I can try, but it doesn't really want to. So I'm gonna put this back on somehow. We're gonna do it. Yep, that did just happen. Fantastic. So a little bit of an update. I don't know if I really finished it. So I kind of messed up the GTI's exhaust setup doing the Cavs downpipe. I kind of knew that, but it was really loud and it sounded really bad. I think with a better resonator, it wouldn't have been terrible, but you kind of just need a muffler on these cars. They don't sound that good. So what I ended up doing was I went to my friend Adam, and he does really great work, and he welded my stock muffler right back on, and it's perfect. It sounds like the muffler delete did before, but with way more tone, and it doesn't drone. It's a really good setup, despite the fact that I still want to do a 3-inch single exit all the way from the turbo back, a 2-piece turbo back. This is perfect for now. The car's not a race car, it's not crazy, but at some point I just want to simplify it even more and get a little bit of weight savings, and get that flow better before I get pro-tuned. I know it makes a negligible difference, but I just want to be able to check as many boxes as I can to make the car run as well as possible. So yeah, I'll put a little screenshot of what a 3-inch single exit would look like. Just from the one side, I was kind of recording it and trying to put a piece of 3-inch up to it, so it's hard to, you couldn't see both sides where there would be an empty spot, but pretty cool. I'll throw in a sound clip, a cold start, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. fixed my muffler. Here's a cold start.